Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. 105 primary schools switch over to English medium. Education Department to seek explanation from these schools. Director replies in the High Court. CM's former PA Prakash Arjun Velip joins MGP to contest from KP. Alliance with the BJP is still uncertain. MGP calls the Congress-led government most corrupt. Goa police withdraw additional security provided to few ministers. Action following election commission's intervention. One minister cites threat to his life. Three workers die in a landslide at stone quarry in Shirley, KP. Bodies trapped for hours together. Locals demand thorough investigation. AIIMS and Haryana reign supreme in All India Gold Cup shooting ball. Goa finished second best in women's competition. And Goa Ranji coach Vivek Kolamkar feels there is an urgent need for talent scouters at school cricket tournaments. New talents can be groomed to play for state, says Vivek. Now the news in detail. In an interesting development, the Education Department has stated that 105 primary schools have switched over to English medium. This was stated in a reply filed by the government in the ongoing medium of instruction matter. The department has stated that it will seek explanation from these schools in this regard. Most of these schools belong to Archdiocesan Board of Education.
The Directorate of Education has stated that 105 primary schools have switched over to English medium. Advocate General Subodh Kantak, appearing on behalf of the state in a petition challenging the decision of MOI in the High Court, stated that the Archdiocesan Board of Education sent a letter in October to Education Department. Letter states, primary schools under board followed English as MOI from June 2011. Board relied on the government's decision, circular and management undertakings. All 11 ADEIs submitted report stating 105 primary schools switched over to English. Education Department will seek explanation from these schools and take further action. The taluka-wise breakup of the schools that switched over are Kankorn 4 schools, KP 7, Salset 30, Murga 5 schools switched over while 5 refused to give in writing and 1 school has both Konkani and English. Sangenan, Ponda 4 schools refused to give in writing. Tiswadi 14 schools switched over while 1 school has both Konkani and English. Bardesh 24 schools refused to give in writing. Bicholi 2 schools has both Konkani and English. Sattari none, and Pedne 3 schools refused to give in writing. The hearing in the matter will now continue on Wednesday. Our reporter Jason Suarez for Prudent Media.
Alliance partner in the government MGP has begun its process of withdrawal from the government, with Deepak Daudikar resigning as the chairman of the KTC. The party has made a strong statement in this regard by inducting former PA of the Chief Minister Prakash Arjun Velip in the party. Moreover, the president of the party has called the Digambar government most corrupt after sharing fruits of power with the Congress for 5 years.
Prakash Arjun Velip formally joined the MGP on Tuesday. He plans to contest assembly poll from KP. On the other side, Pratap Mardolkar has also joined hands with the MGP. He is a probable candidate from Daboli. Talks are on between the MGP and the BJP for alliance. They have given deadline to the BJP till Sunday.
आमची युतीची भाजपाकडे बोलणी चालू असा, काँग्रेसकडे आमची बोलणी चालू ना. आम्ही बोलणी काँग्रेसीकडे बंद केल्यार खूप दीस जाले.
Do you admit that it was a corrupt government?
Of course, it was a corrupt government. आम्ही 10 जागा मागल्या आणि हांव निश्चितूच सांगू शकता हे दोन्ही मतदारसंघ आज जे भितर घेतल्या ते त्या 10 मतदारसंघात आसा.
On the other side, Dept Daulikar has resigned from the post of KTC chairman, beginning the process of MGP's withdrawal from the government. MGP currently is the alliance partner in the Congress-led government. Dept informed that they will decide on quitting the government within 2 days.
कदंबा ट्रान्सपोर्ट कॉर्पोरेशनाचो चेअरमॅन पदाचो राजीनामो दिल्लो आसा. सेक्रेटरी ट्रान्सपोर्टाक धाडून दिल्लो आसा. मगो पक्षाचे निवडणुकीचे कामाची सगळी जबाबदारी अध्यक्ष येनात्यान म्हजेर असल्या कारणान त्या जबाबदारींतल्यान हांव मुक्त जाल्लो आसा. पार्टीची भुमिका आतां फाल्यां परवा मिटींग जातली तातूंत भुमिका स्पश्ट जातली. काँग्रेस सरकारात रावप काय ना निवडणुकी वेळार.
A reporter in Panji, Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Goa police has withdrawn additional security given to few of the ministers in the state. Election Commission had asked for explanation about continuation of the security to them in spite of code of conduct. This step by the Goa police has annoyed some of the influential ministers. Sources say that one annoyed minister has written to the DGP seeking the security back, fearing threat to his life.
Soon after the Election Commission's query about additional security provided to the ministers, Goa police have left the politicians without any extra protection. Sources say that some of the ministers were having the additional security even after enforcement of code of conduct. Election Commission had asked for explanation from the DGP Kishan Kumar. These are some of the powerful ministers whose security has been withdrawn. Digambar Kamath, Chief Minister, Home Minister Ravi Naik, Speaker of Goa Assembly Pratap Singh Rane, Health Minister Vishwajit Rane and PWD Minister Churchill Alamau. Ministers are not happy with this decision. One of the heavyweight ministers from Salset have written to the DGP that his life is in danger and his additional security be restored. When we contacted the minister, he said that he is receiving threat calls and as such has requested for restoration of the additional security. Security Review Committee will hold its meeting within 2 days. The committee will ascertain what security should be provided to each minister and the seriousness of the threat calls. Goa Police, Coast Guard, Armed Forces, intelligence agencies and other concerned officials will be present for the meeting. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.